Now we're almost done with this module. One thing is missing though, a way to log out. We don't have that. Now, where do we add this logout functionality? I will go to my admin main page here where I have the button to create a new post. Next to it, I'll simply add a new button where I say logout. Now this is of course just one way. You can use a different way, but this is a quick and easy way of adding such a functionality. Upon a click, I want to trigger on logout, this function. And this function therefore should now be handled in this index.view file. Now, to do that, I'll add a methods property and handle on logout here. And then on logout, I want to dispatch a to be created action that, guess what, logs the user out. So something like this, store dispatch logout. That's the idea. For that, I'll go to the store now, index.js in the store folder, and let's add this logout functionality. So here I'll add this logout action. And I, as always, get Vuex context here. And in this action, I simply want to commit the clear token method, the clear token mutation, I should say, because I want to remove the token from the store if we log out. Now, besides that, I also want to unset the token at the expiration date in the cookie. So here in the cookie, I also want to call remove token and cookie remove token expiration, or I named it expiration date, I guess. Yeah, so remove that. And the token was called JWT. And also clear it from local storage. So local storage, remove item, and here we stored the token in a token key, or with the token key, and the expiration with token expiration. So I want to clear the token key from local storage, and I also want to remove the item with the token expiration from local storage. So I'm cleaning up my local storage into cookie too, besides my local Vuex state. This new logout function is actually a great function to call in other places where we use clear token. So essentially here, if we check whether we do have a valid token or an expired one. So here I can call Vuex context dispatch logout simply. This will then bundle all these functionalities and clean everything up. With that in place, let's save this and let's go back to the application. Let's quickly log in. This should still work, hopefully. And we can't navigate around as we did before, so this should still all work. But now we got that logout button here sitting next to create post. We can work on the styling here, but let's now click logout. And now if I try to go somewhere else, I'm redirected. Obviously, I want to get redirected instantly, so I'll go back to index.view, and besides dispatching logout, I'll reach out to my router and simply push me back to admin off here immediately, so that I'm redirected to the login page if I'm logging out. And we wanted to fix the styling here, because the button is sitting right next to the other button. Now what we can do is, we can simply add a quick and dirty margin left 10 pixels here as a style. Styles are passed down to the button, so we can add it to our custom component. And with that, if we try this again and we quickly log in, now this looks better. And now we can, again, still navigate around, add some exclamation marks here, save this, see it here, all working, go there again. So that's looking great. We can also, of course, temporarily go back to our main area, click around here, and then go back to the admin area, and we should still be logged in. But if I click logout now, this does not work. I can still go back to my main area though, but if I go back to the admin area again, I end up here. So this is all working, and if we inspect our Vue store, here we see clear token was dispatched and our current state doesn't have one. So that's now all working. That's the authentication part finished for now. And I hope you learned useful things about how authentication can work and on which things or ideas you can build up on and refine this for your requirements and your app.